People always ask me how my Phantom wallet crossed over $7 million. Now, it was not by luck, it was just by launching meme coins at the right time. And right now, I'm about to break down exactly how it works. Now, I used to be a crypto meme coin fiend. I used to buy a shit ton of coins like Chill Guy, Trump. There's a bunch of different meme coins that I spent thousands of dollars in, but guess what, bro? I lost all my money to these coins because every single time I bought inside a meme coin, it would literally dump seconds later, and that's why I stopped trading and I started launching, because that's when I found the truth in these fucking coins. The real money is not made by trading them. It's actually made by launching them. Why? It's because when you launch your own coin, bro, it costs literally $0 on the blockchain, and after that, your job is to just wait for buyers, and then you can just dump it at the top for a shit ton of money. And on top of that, bro, you make a shit ton of money off of the fees from buys and sells through your coin, bro. Launching coins and just deving your own projects in general is an actual cheat code, and that's how I made my millions of dollars. You cannot lose anything because it's your own coin, and even though the market is kind of crashing, well, it still works, and it actually works more than before. Let's get right into it. By the way, bro, this entire video is made for educational purposes only. It is all fake, and none of this is financial advice. Cap! But anyways, bro, let's get straight into the actual juicy part of today's video, and that is how do you make your meme coin. Now, most people, okay, most beginners, when they come into making their own project, the first mistake is going to Pump.Fun. Let me tell you why, okay? Pump.Fun is drowning in new tokens. Your launch will get buried instantly because there's just a shit ton of buyers coming out every single second. And also, bro, your coin has to reach a $95,000 market cap for it to even graduate onto the Raydium DEX. And if you guys don't know, bro, your job is to get your coin onto the Raydium DEX because if that happens, you will get a shit ton of traction, momentum, and volume. And bro, Pump.Fun will just keep all your money because you do not control your liquidity. So the solution to that is creating your coins on Create Tokens.io, because on this launchpad, bro, it changes everything. Okay, Create Tokens.io launches directly to Raydium, where your coin graduates immediately and starts trading in seconds. Your token gets real visibility, real buyers from the moment it goes live, bro. It's an actual cheat code. You guys will see why. Now, there's two different ways to launch clean. Now, the first method is to obviously create from scratch a whole new token. So you're basically going to create a new token name, new symbol, and image. Now go on X because you have to find a good narrative, a good meme for your custom coin. Otherwise, you won't get any buyers. So let me see if you could find something decent. It could be any type of news like this. Trump said the US economy will boom in the next 5 to 6 months. That's a good narrative, right? It's something political. Now anyways, come back to Create Tokens.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image by screenshotting anything, and just like that, bro, after these simple steps, your coin is custom created to your liking. But the second method, and this is the best one by far, okay, it's by copying trending coins. Now I love copying trending coins because these coins already have traffic from Pump.Fun. Your job is to copy them and you get instant buyers and faster flips because the hype is already built in, bro. Copying coins is where it's at. Okay, I will do an example. Now that you understand the complete strategy, let's put it into action. I'm going to launch a coin live so you can see the full process in real time. Now let's see which coin I can copy. Well, first of all, bro, make sure the Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. Now any coins will work. I'm gonna go for a random one. Okay, Titmiss. It has a last buy 1 second ago and a 61 reply. So click on create coin. After that, ignore the block. Okay, it's completely normal. Just do proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds, bro. Let's fucking go. Boom. And yeah, bro, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this screen and this page is where your project comes to life, okay? This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to control and to create, and that's to add liquidity in your coin. It's what gives your token your real market on Raydium, letting buyers to trade it immediately. Now for the amount token A, just make sure you click 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens. You will be keeping 10% of the liquidity so that you can dump it later, and on top of that, bro, you're making money off of all the fees from buys and sells. Right under for the amount token B, this is your foundation of your market. It's your first buy, but you're not losing anything. That SOL for your first buy is locked in to start the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when to pull out the liquidity later, that same SOL for your first buy will come straight back to you inside your dev wallet, so you have nothing to lose, bro. Make sure to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum, just to be safe. Then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that is done, click on refresh, scroll down, and boom, the Titmus coin is on live. Your profits are right here, and as you guys can see, bro, I'm gonna receive, well, click on refresh, and I'm gonna receive $135, okay, at the beginning. Now, bro, do not take this money out, okay? This is just the first buy-ins from a bunch of people buying in. Now click on view on photon to see the chart, okay? Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. And now as you guys can see, bro, the $130 is right here, okay? Let's fucking go. These are all organic buyers, okay? These are all random people who are trenching and who are trying to make money off of your coin from other people, okay? Now give this coin some time for it to pump, and you know, that's how you create momentum, okay? Just give it some time, bro. It is going to go up, okay, because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the Raydium DEX, and that is how you get buyers, bro. 15 bucks, $80 right there. Oh my god, bro. You see, guys, you just have to wait, okay? 1.2k more. Oh my god, 80 bucks, 80 bucks, $7. Oh my god, bro. The coin is pumping so much. Let's dump this coin. Come on, bro. 30 bucks. We just made like a couple $100 right here. That's actually insane. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back, bro. 80 bucks right here, $25. Oh my god. Alright guys, I am back after a couple minutes. The trend is kind of bullish, right? It is going a bit down, but we are still at the 3.5k market cap, so let's make some money, right? So come back to create tokens.io, and obviously, bro, make sure to click on the refresh button right here to check your profits in real time. And as you guys can see, we are up $1.53,000, okay? This came from our liquidity, and it came from all the fees from the buy and sells of every single transaction. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin real quick. Let's see what happens. Let's fucking go. And as you guys can see, we are gonna receive around 12 Solana. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins, launch it, and make some generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, boom, we just received like $1.6 thousand, bro. That's absolutely fucking insane. Yeah, bro, GG's to everyone who bought my coin. This is all for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, bro, DM me on X at j.crypto or jpflips, okay? I respond to every single person in my DMs, okay? And if you want to launch meme coins but on the BNB chain, it's at launch bnb.fun, okay? It's the same exact principle of create tokens.io, but you're launching on the BNB chain, bro. Come on, like, subscribe, join my Discord and my Telegram down below, and yeah, bro, peace.